Good morning, students. Welcome to your foundation school system. I am your science teacher and I am here to teach you science. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Students, open your science book. Today we are going to start unit number 2, that is world around us. So in this chapter we are going to read about ecosystem. So open page number 11. First of all, you have to mention date, day and classwork at the top of the page number 11. So let's start reading. Ecosystem. Ecology is the study of ecosystem. Ecosystem is a system of living things that interact with each other and with the physical world. An ecosystem is comprises of biotic and abiotic components. Biotic components include all living things. Abiotic components. Abiotic components include non-living things such as soil, minerals, climate, water, sunlight, and wind. The interactions among biotic and abiotic factors support the flow of energy and cycling of materials in ecosystems. For example, air temperature, availability of water, and amount of wind influence the growth of certain species of plants in an area. Plant species provide food for animal populations, and plants and animals cycle oxygen and carbon dioxide. So, functions of ecosystem. The producer, the green plants, fix solar energy with the help of minerals taken from their adaphic soil where they grow or aerial environment and build up complex organic matter. These are their food, so with the help of solar energy, they convert the chemical energy of the food to kinetic energy. And finally, heat energy. Flow of energy. The animals eat up plants and other animals as food, so the energy is transferred through food to animals. Cycling of materials. When plants and animals die, then decomposers act on their dead bodies and decompose them into simple materials like carbon dioxide, water, and minerals, which go back to air, water bodies, and soil from where they were taken. Student, move to page number 12. Process of functioning of ecosystem. Plants get carbon dioxide from air and water. They take minerals from water bodies and soil. Plants make their food with the help of absorbed carbon dioxide, minerals, and solar energy. This process is repeated again and again. This leads to continuous functioning of the ecosystem. Energy flow through the ecosystem. The transfer of energy and matter takes place in the processor of predator and prey relationship in a food chain. The original source of energy is the energy from the sun. Out of enormous amount of energy continuously radiated by the sun, most of it is reflected or refracted back by atmosphere. Earth's surface, an object like plants, only a very small fraction, about 1% of the solar energy received by the plant, is used through the process of photosynthesis. Importance of ecosystem. We know that no living organisms can live in isolation. We cannot survive without producers in nature. All living beings depend on their living beings in the biological community. Not only they are dependent on one another, but also each of them exists in a certain proportion. This creates a complete balance in nature amongst living organisms. This is evident from the study of food chains which operate between living organisms. Ecological balance in nature. The balance between the living beings and also with the non-living environment is called the ecological balance, or simply a balance in nature. However, human activities have upset the ecological balance in nature, so it is more essential that balance in nature should be established soon because it is important for our own existence. So, students, underline the difficult words. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.